And today's recipe is flan for dialysis patients. Check it out. Also, I'd like to thank SJS Accessible Apparel for sending me their very comfortable Alliance top for men so that I can show you how versatile this dress shirt is for patients on dialysis or chemotherapy. The apparel design puts the patient first because the founders are dialysis nurses. SJS also has a very cute style for women too. You can check out the product by scanning this QR code or check out the website at sjsaccessibleapparel.com and get your 10% discount on your first order. And for the coconut milk, you're going to use the Almond Breeze brand that's refrigerated. 3 whole eggs and 1 egg white. You're also going to need sugar, those 24 teaspoons or 100 grams, cream of coconut milk, the cream of coconut milk, okay? Make sure, stevia, and some water. So let's get cooking. So you're going to boil this water with the sugar to make it caramelized, right? Now this should be done within 5-6 minutes at medium to high heat. Now be aware when it is cooking and you see it turn light brown like this, remove it from the heat, turn off the heat, and let it cook in that pot. And the perfect color will be this caramel brown. When you see it, turn it off. Please turn off the heat, because if you don't, this happens and it is bitter. But I still continue with the video. But this is not the color you want. No, avoid this. Now that the caramel is set, you're gonna pour it into your custard cups. And yes, it shouldn't be that brown or burnt, so please keep it to the caramel color. And pour while it's hot, and it will cool down eventually, and it will stick to the bottom. Now, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna crack the 3 whole eggs, and the 4th egg, you're just gonna take out the egg whites only. So you can save the yolk for your next day breakfast if you want. You don't have to throw it away, okay? Now that all the eggs are cracked and in the bowl, you're gonna whisk it together and add the cream of coconut and the stevia to make your custard. And now that your custard is ready, you're gonna pour on top of your custard cups, where of course the caramel is already set. Now, all the custard cups are in a shallow baking dish because we're gonna add hot water. This hot water is called the hot bath method, and this will help keep your custard creamy. So we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and once it's done, you take it out and enjoy it with your family, of course. This again is going to be creamy. It is low phosphorus, low potassium for those who are on dialysis. Now, as I'll show you in the video, to separate it from the custard cups, just get a knife, run it along the edge, and that's it. So if you like this recipe, please leave a comment down below on what you liked about it and what you didn't. And hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to not miss any new content I post every other Friday. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.